So really quick, y'all, it was supposed to be my good morning, you guys, and welcome back to Andrea Keeping It Minimal, where I keep it minimal over here all the time. So me and Babe was on our little date, and we stumbled up across this free public railroad. So when it's free, that means anybody can come on here and picnic, have picture day, or just hang out here. We saw a couple that was having a picnic, so we decided, you know what? I'm going to bring our family back, our little family back over here, and we're going to have a picnic on the railroad. Now, it was very exciting to me to be stepping on a railroad. This is Real Raw and Uncut, you guys. Me and Babe just decided to chill at the Hampton. Now, I love the Hampton, but I think next time we're going to probably get an extended stay because we're doing like a little Babe vacation, so we're gonna be there for about a week. But these are the bottles, y'all. This is just icebox. I had to flip the screen because I know kids are going to be watching and probably wonder, Mama, what is going on? So I had to flip it so they won't be all in our business as an adults, because we are that. But yeah, you already know why we went to the hotel. We just chilled, really, to be honest. And y'all, Mother Nature was screaming and hollering out my drawers. So we was just chilling and adulting and just cuddled up, booed up. If you are in a relationship and you guys are separated for a little bit, it is okay to have your time with each other. That's how your relationship is going to grow even more, and the love is going to be more deeper. We also like to come together and, just talk about things that is going on in our lives, and just be there for each other, no matter what. I'm going to always make an effort to be in his life, and he's going to always make an effort to be in mine. And so until we come back together, once we get our apartment, right now we're just enjoying each other in the moment. And he was really like getting on me, like talking about me like my son. They always talking about my weed, y'all. But anyways, he was like, you better not take that top off that coffee or your weed's gonna catch a fire or something, because y'all know this is a synthetic wig. But anyways, just those moments are really, really, really special to me. And also, they do serve like free breakfast, so I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys my breakfast. So continue watching. If you watched this far, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Yeah. Pick a place on the way. Where you wanna go. Where you wanna go. Where you wanna go. Where you wanna go. Boy, it's up to you. Tonight, make the reservation. I need a vacation with you. Tonight, my inspiration. Good morning with a beach view. It's overdue. Who say that, my dear? Pink colada with the beer, yeah. Crystal clear water exterior. Flashing lights, traffic lights, red. Speed it up and then inside your head. Yellow melon, speed it up ahead. Yeah, green go. Drop the pen and I'll be there. Where you wanna go. I do have to say that these 2 days was amazing with Babe. We had so much fun. We talked, we communicated, we talked about God, and it came to an end. So I'm back at Mom's house, and it was later on in the day, and I definitely was hungry and dehydrated as well because I didn't have enough water at the hotel. Next time we will be prepared. So we stopped in to Dollar Tree, and grabbed these little thermals, been seeing them all over TikTok and YouTube shorts, and definitely found the color that I wanted. And it was very deceiving. I wouldn't suggest anyone pick up those thermals from Dollar Tree. They were $5. Um, they say that they insulated, and that's a lie. My water did not stay in cold for over an hour. I had ice in there, and I looked, and the ice had already melted. And I'm not even sure if I could put hot stuff in it, because if I put like my hot coffee, I'm just scared that it might burn a hole through it. So I'm gonna go ahead and test out this oil and make sure that it's going. This is the way that I test it out. I just put a fry in there or a little piece of meat and just kind of go by ear. If you're not sure about the oil, that's what I do, because I'm not sure. But I'm going to be using some garlic powder, Montreal seasoning, some onion powder, and then some oregano. I love oregano, y'all. I put that in everything. Then I'm going to use some my pepper grinder as well, y'all. And then we're going to go ahead and make these burgers. Now, I didn't show any sea salt because the Montreal seasoning has its own sea salt flakes in there. So we don't want to season our food or put in that extra salt. And so I'm going in with some ground turkey. And you guys, I didn't realize that it was ground beef and ground turkey. So I was looking at it like, I don't normally, take your jewelry off, whatever you have in your fingers, because we don't want to get that in the food and any extra germs. But I don't think this day I used my hands to mix up the meat. I don't like touching meat, so I went ahead and got like a scraping wooden spatula, because that's more better for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and add up all the seasonings. But like I was saying, I didn't realize that I was using the ground beef and turkey until it was all said and done, and we tried it and we was like, it tastes different, but it has a little both, a little kick. It wasn't like overly like, I don't know, beefy, but it was okay. It wasn't like it's nothing I would try again. Just put it like that. But we went ahead and ate it, and nobody really complained about it. So yeah, just go ahead and put all your seasonings in, whatever seasonings you use or whatever seasonings you have in your cabinet at the time. We ain't trying to go out and spend no extra money on any type of seasonings, y'all. No seasonings, okay? So whatever you have on hand, use it. If you like to put, like, I've seen people like to put like breadcrumbs in their meat just to keep it moist, or an egg in your meat to keep it moist. You do that because that's what you do for your family. That's what's best for you and your family. And so I just like to add seasonings. I'm not a mushy girl. Like, I don't like my meatloaf with, breadcrumbs or any type of crackers or any type of just bread. I don't like that. And so whenever my mom does make meatloaf, she makes my own meatloaf, because I'm very funny and particular about it, as well as my mac and cheese. I don't really like a lot of cheese in my mac and cheese, so she always make me a side of mac and cheese that is right for me. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and stir up in all the seasonings. Now, this could be a little bit challenging if you're not using your hands or don't have any gloves on deck to mix it up with your hands, because it'll be more easier. But since these meats are two different textures, and this is where I really just thought about it, I was like, something's not right. Something doesn't feel right. Like, at this moment, like, one's soft and one's hard. But I kept mixing it in, because what could I do? I can't unmix the meat, okay? Like, you can't untoast the toast. You can't unmix the meat once it's mixed, okay? Especially if they're two different meats. You can't do that. So just go ahead and mix in all your meat. Like, mix it in, and make sure you pay attention. Next time, I think what it was we didn't write on the label part on the Ziploc bags. We didn't say turkey. We didn't say beef. We just put it in the freezer, and called it a day. So I would suggest all my mothers, fathers out there, whoever's cooking for the day, make sure you label, and write on your labels so the next person that comes out to you will know what it is. So you guys know that I love these little parchment papers that I got from $1.25 Century. They have helped me a lot on making my little smash burgers, and I love them. And you can do so much with these. Like I made some homemade chocolate chip cookies. You guys, I'm gonna make some homemade chocolate chip cookies and share with you guys how I make them. But yeah, I used these for the cookies, and they came out so good, you guys. And it's all about portion size, especially if you are feeding a family of 4, which I am trying to get used to. I'm used to a family of 3. And so I'm getting used to it, and not comfortable, but just used to cooking for 4 people. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and smash all these burgers down. And I did go ahead and pre-cook my fries first so that they can be out the way. And make sure you drain off all that oil on your fries. Because we don't want all that oil. Like I can't stand going to a restaurant or anything like that. And that's why I've been cooking a lot more lately of what I want, like burgers and stuff, because you just never know what you're getting. You know what I mean? I also got, my mom bought this seasoning. It's French fry seasoning. It's from the French Quarters in Louisiana. And so we tend to buy our stuff from Louisiana, like their little markets and stuff. And so we decided to buy some and try it out. And when I tell you, it is wonderful. It is good. It is the bomb. Yeah, it's really good. Anything I feel like is from New Orleans is really good. Like their seasonings and stuff is really good. I'm not sure about their food because I do have a shrimp allergy, a shellfish allergy, so I cannot eat in Louisiana at all. And I'm sure that they have places where they don't cook shrimp and chicken in the same thing, but I just take safety to a high extent when it comes to down there. I haven't been in Louisiana in a long time, y'all, like a long time. So everything might have changed since I've been. You guys saw me putting that extra grease inside of that grease container. You guys have to get one of those, or get a mason jar. Make sure you leave the top off once you put that oil in, because we don't want no explosions. You can do it in a little green bean or corn container that you get from the store, the little can. Wash it out real good. Put your grease in there in that aluminum can. And yeah, just save that grease because you can use that grease for something else. We just put fries in there, baby. The fries wasn't even seasoned, I don't think. But if they were, the grease was still clear. So that's some good grease. So save your grease. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put these burgers on in the pot. I'm going to be looking for one of those Blackstone grill tops. I really want one of those, and I really think that I can get one for the low. And so I really want one of those to put on the stove with the little grill on it, and then just a little black top. Because I think that the burgers will come out so much better on there, and I won't have to put so much oil in the pan. I'm just to a point where I just want to use less oil as possible. And so, as you can tell, like these burgers are doing that thing, okay? And I wasn't even thinking, like I said, you guys. Y'all real raw and cut what I got on. Y'all see what I got on. I am not dressed to impress, baby. I'm still in that same top, and then I just changed my bottom pants to some shorts. But yeah, this is how it came out. I put some onion strings on there from Walmart, and yeah,